Hi, my name is Lisa Dick. I'm going to show you around Cornell Dairy. This will give you a peek of what you're going to be seeing when you come visit us on Open Farm Day in September. Well, we have Cornell cream ice cream for you when you come out on Open Farm Day. We're going to be serving you some fresh Cornell cream made from our milk and cream. These are our newborn calves, and they are housed like this because it keeps them healthier and it prevents disease. So this is the milking parlor, what we like to call it, and it may be a little bit different than some parlors that you've seen, but this is where the cows come in to be milked twice a day, and these machines do all the work. We attach them and it draws the milk from them and goes into the milk tank, and when it's done it automatically comes off of the cow, and then we just dip their teats and away they go back into the barn. So this is a style called double 8, so we milk 16 cows at a time. Welcome to Grandma's Garden. So when you come to visit us again on Open Farm Day, please feel free to browse the garden and the beautiful flowers that Grandma's planted and the vegetables that we enjoy for the summertime. Don't forget to bring your loonies and toonies when you come for tasting Cornell cream ice cream. I hope you enjoyed the tour of our farm. We look forward to seeing you visit for Open Farm Day. See you in September.